Everybody, come on, sing with me. Come. Take me home. See you tonight. Everybody now.
happy feast, everyone. We had a wonderful time, good food, good music, good entertainment. It was overall a great hit.
It was a lovely time over here to spend with all the Ponda Parishioners. Though we are not from Ponda, but it was really nice to be with all of you guys. And see you next year again. Thank you.
Well, guys, it's a treat coming here every year. It's a time for me to meet up with all the people I grew up with, catch up on what's happening with them for the last 1 year. And they always go out of the way to have a beautiful celebration here. And I'm so happy to be along with my whole friends, my cousins, and the whole gang. Thank you so much for all the organizing you guys do and the hard work you put in. Cheers.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. It's actually the second time we've been here for this feast, and thanks to Tina and Fejo for inviting us over. We are actually from Panjim, but it's great coming here and celebrating the Ponda feast with everyone. Very well organized, and the food is great, and the music is brilliant. So thank you again. Thank you. Hey, everyone.
Everybody go down, go down, go down. Now we're gonna sing together, come up together, okay? Oh, come on, let's go. show me. Come on.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's
So I have a parish priest over here. पहिले तो आमगेलो Father Tony. आयज आमी मिस केलो ताणें. तो सांगतो तुमकां आयज आमगे फेस्त कसो चलपा ते. Father, up to you.
Thank you. It was very nice. What I liked was the participation of the people and also the efforts to bring them together and make them feel they are in Ponda, Goa. Keep up the good work. Thank you.
Two more children.
Say something. How you felt about the feast?
The feast was very nice. As always, Ponda Parishioners, they kill it all the time. But hopefully next year, as Joel said, the venue will be a different one. So hoping for the best. Thank you.
The feast was very good, very nice. We enjoyed coming all the way from Ponda, Goa to Swindon. So we enjoyed very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Alpha, you do the honors to give away the prize. Can you put your hands together for BBN for being the best techno dancer? And here we go. Thank you.
Yeah, the feast was amazing. We had a good time. Sogule enjoys Ali, and yeah, the band was good. Everything was organized well. Yeah, and we all had good. We had a good time. Yeah.
The feast was very amazing. I was very happy to have my son Neil here. Yeah.
500 and it's going to be the first prize.
Rebecca, the voice is gone. Why you saying? Why you saying? Oh wait, the balloon.
Asal
this band here, and they were absolutely phenomenal. Okay, you guys will be watched on YouTube. The videos are going live, or we'll be posting it. Don't worry, we'll tag you all. We'll have the rappers. Okay. In the meantime, put your hands together, guys, for MC Alpha and MC Anthony. Aren't they amazing? Leslie for doing this lovely games. Ashley, Goan family for capturing and doing all these beautiful reels that we had.
Winning the prize for the lucky entry coupon, and the prize is sponsored by K2 and family. Maybe you can help him do.
It's heavy.
Catering to give a bouquet of flowers with lots of love to Father Tony.
Put your hands together. Thank you.
Welcome, Father. And we have Keisha to give these beautiful flowers to Clayton Barreto. Put your hands together for her.
Leslie, the specialist of the game. It's a kermesa pachi game चालू आहे का? एक किती होत आहे? कार्ड रेडर चालू आहे जाय. लेजली स्पेशल कोण नाव ट्राय करता लेजली फुड्या. हांव एक ट्राय करता या. अगो एक पडलो लागले का? आधी एक पडप्या. झाले का बे जलाय आजे के कमाइले ए इंगना तो अपना चल या चल नाच पाया So I'm getting catering VS caterers and they get so we have sannas, salad, naan dole dene and it's tora shiro my favorite pulao mutton shakuti pork solpoter and ingdola it's a chow chicken kafria and mixed veg kurma at also media VS caterers are okay so we have VS especially chef George multi talented guy आणि एक तुम चोयला सो एक तोंड दाखव जॉर्ज एक तुम्ही गोवा डिया जायत गोड आपल्याक स्टॉल बिगान चलता and he is making a beautiful delicious food guys absolutely stunning and तेगे जेवणा तो केन्ना कंप्लेनू केन्ना चोयला तुम गोवा डिया तेगे ट्राय राते सो हिंगा हॉट सर्विंग चलता तेंगेले एशनी रांदून दवरलेले हा हें करपा ना कितें हा ते सारकें हिंग हें केलो गरम करून दिता मायक्रोवेव ना जॉर्ज हे फेस्ताचे तू कितें सांगो जाय तें म्हाका सांग पळय केस दिसली तुका
सगळ्यांक हांव फेस्ताची उनवणीत परबीं दिता आमची जेजूची आजी म्हूण आमी भुरगेपणासान जाणा आसलेले हे फेस्त आमी कोत्ताय आमी आमची पात्रोन आनी हांव सगळ्यांक उनवणीत परबीं दिता आमी जरी तर पडदेसान हे पोटा लागून आहाय पूण आमकां आमचो गांवचो मोग आनी आमच्या इगोर्जेचो मोग आमच्या काळजान आहा सायबीण माय घडी आमी ती आमकां सगळ्यांक राखता आमचे बेसांव घालता तशें हांव चड खुशाल खूब वर्सां पयलीं कॉमेर्सासान हांवें केटरींग केलां फोंडेच्या डान्साक कित्याक सोजमोन आमचेंच फेस्त हांव सदांच म्हणटालो पयशांचें मागीर पळोवया पूण केटरींग हांव करतलो आनी लोकांनी म्हाका सगळ्यांनी मानून घेयलेलो सगळ्या फोंडेकारांनी मानून घेयलेलो हांव सजमतां सगळ्यांनी जेवणाचे कॉमेंट्स दिवचे प्लीज कित्याक आमकां जरी तर लोकां कडल्यान कॉमेंट्स मेळ्ळे आमी आमची उर्बा वाडटा नये डीश करून आमी फेस्ताकूच न्ही आमी हूंय हेका वयताय काजरां कोत्ताय वो गोवा डे कोत्ताय असले फेस्टिवल कोत्ताय तितून आमकां उर्बा येता कसली तर कोणाची सजेशन आहा ते प्लीज दिवचे हांव चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा जो आयज म्हजो व्हिडिओ काडटा आमचोच फ्रेंड आमचोच गांवचो भाव चड देव बरें करूं ताका दोन उतरां हांव म्हजी सोंपयतां थँक्यू व्हेरी मच
सो गायज जॉर्जाकडची तुम्ही उतरां आयकली तूं दिसतलें जॉर्ज एकलोच काम करता काय म्हणून जॉर्जान मेन सांगोना आपणा हाडल्या सपोर्ट कोणाक येतो जे भाशेन म्हजे हाडल्या मुगे बायले सपोर्ट आहा ते भाशेन जॉर्जा हाडल्या तेजे बायलेचो सपोर्ट आहा शी इज ऑलवेज बीन देर तेका सदां पळयलां स्टॉलान जावं खूंय जावं सदां आहा तेंगेले दे ऑलवेज शी इज ऑलवेज बीन सपोर्ट आनी म्हणटाय न्हू बायले सपोर्ट आहले गो खूंय पावता म्हणून एक तर रोयर पावता सारको सकयल पावता तुय सगळे गोवा सारको वयर काडला always been said every successful story a successful person doesn't want to show his shadow sometimes and that's one of his wife she doesn't want to show her shadow but yet I know that we as caterers which is George who's running it George आ सगळे लोक होगोताय जॉर्जा के चोयला जॉर्ज तुगे जेवण एकदम बरें जालें बासारो म्हाका कोवलोले हा तुगे जेवणूय हांवें पयलीं हायलोलें हा this has become a home catering for me म्हाका केन्ना हिंगे अशें जालें I never felt like हांव तेगे फुड्यान केन्ना येता I never felt like okay I'm going to someone to buy food or something that's like a business but yet I always felt I'm home तेगे वोसोन हायला केन्ना he never asked me about anything तो म्हणटा हा पण it's his business I have to think तुमगे guys तुम केन्ना तुमगे catering हा कितें हा न्हू just बस येम तेगे कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर घातलो VS caterers म्हळ्यार हिंग स्विडना कोणूय वोगोता लंडन कोताय फॅमिली कोताय ऑल ओवर UK दे कोताय आपले catering I'm saying it none of your guests will be disappointed with this food because you can bet on me for this because तुम केन्नाय खंयच्या इव्हेंटाक गेल्यार तुमी तेका चोयला आसतलो आनी इतलें सांगून हांव काबार करता जेवण हांव आतां जेयता म्हाका सांगो नाका रिव्यू दिवपा नाका जेवणाचो जेवण इज एब्सोल्युटली गुड सो गायज मुगे very special guest आयची of this evening the very special guest that I had the Fernandez family it's why आती वयताय भायर सोताय हुई म्हाका विचारया वॉल्टरा कडेन थँक्यू तूं येयला इतले पयसान
बरें दिसलें
हे नो
आनी आमी एन्जॉय जाली बरी करून
फेस्त कशें दिलें तुका आमगेले दुसरे फावटी वॉल्टरान सांगलां आपूण खंय रावपा येतलो चोया केन्ना येता तो आतां भुरग्यांक हॉलिडे पळय हांव डेफिनेटली येता आनी हांव इतलें म्हणटा This is a very good guy. एका सदांच येतालो युट्यूबाचेर आनी ऑल्सो ऑलवेज टेल एंजल look at him how nice he is and that's why he's at my place today. Next time you're coming to say you're some holidays, right? You're coming. You enjoyed the feast?
Yeah.
Did you like the feast?
Yes.
Yes. You had your food?
Yeah.
Did you want? तो प्राइस जिंकले तिका किती जिंकला बियर जिंकला झाडा जिंकले मागीर
रिंगा बियर पडले
ओय रिंगा केरमेसा को जिंकलो तो सो बट कितें तेका सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक मेळ्ळो तेका बियर मेळ्ळी बट कितें झाडा आहा न्हू आनी हांवूय आहा हिंगा भिनाका बट थँक्यू व्हेरी मच गायज ओय फ्लॉसी येते फ्लॉसी आपणा गेले एकोदा हांव एकोदा दिसत फ्लॉसी एकोदे बिकॉज आय हॅड आस्क्ड वॉल्टर बिकॉज आय फेल्ट ही इज अ व्हेरी जेन्युइन पर्सन म्हाका वॉल्टरा कोमरे हांव डोंट नो वाय आय एम गेटिंग कनेक्टेड टू हिम फिल्टर नाही नॉन फिल्टर्ड पर्सन घराक वच्चे शीत कोडी बायल भुरगीं तसलें एंड वीच इज रियल यू डोंट गो विथ फिल्टर्स वन और टू बट एटलीस्ट हॅपी इज वॉट इज हॅविंग एंड दॅट्स वॉट आय एम लुकिंग फॉर एंड आय एम ग्लॅड आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी एंड व्हेरी ब्लेस्ड टू हॅव ती येयली म्हाका चड थँक्यू तुमकां तूं वयता बरी कोण वसा आतां कितें आतां फुडली पाटी रावपा येतली तेन्ना तुमकां सेकंड डे विडियो करता कोवतले ती हाय की नाय पळय ती ओके गायज
मोग्याच्या न्हू आमी फोंडेकारान हो डान्स फेस्ताच्या निमित्तान सेंट आनाच्या फेस्त निमित्तान ऑर्गनायज केलो डान्स एकदम बरो जालो वेरी ऑर्गनायज गोंयांतसून बँड येयले एल्टिट्यूड एकदम बरी वाजयले उमेद येयली डान्साक हेच भाशेन त्या वर्साक 2027 ऑर्गनायज करपाचें तुमकां सगल्यांक पयलींच आमंत्रण दिता आनी तांकां बरें यश हांव येता देव बरें करूं.
सो फ्रेंड्स जस्ट भितर सरल्याचे फेस्ता डान्स जालो आनी आत्तां भितर सरता काय कासा जालें सारकी हरमिळ्ळें चोवपाक गेल्यार इट वॉज सो ब्युटिफूल सो नायस द एनर्जी ऑफ दीस फीस्ट वॉज टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल एवरी वन स्मॅश्ड इट हांव खरें म्हणटा सातान साहेबांनी आमकां खरें बेसावन बोल्लां एंड दॅट वी कूड डिलिवर this feast to make it happen so well and it was not possible if all these people were not here. खरें इतली बरें जालें फेस्तू आमगेले मिसूय जालें पळय ते मिसूय इतली बरें जालें लायक गोंयचो वायब सारको पुरसांव करून ती बोंद्यार बांदलोली ती तुमकां आसतली तुमी पळयतले ते व्हिडियोन आतां येता ते तितून बोंद्यार बांदून आनी तो स्पेशल ब्रास बँड वाजून इट वॉज स्टनिंग इट वॉज रियली नायस आय कांट से आय वॉज वेरी हॅपी टू सी वॉल्टा एन देम एज वेल लायक ती येयले तो हॉलाली रावलो म्हणटा he also enjoyed it very well. बहुत दिसले खरें फेस्ताचे आनी I'd say like सातान साहेबांनी आमकां खरें बेसावन बोल्लां and to deliver all this thing and I pray to our saint and to bless each and every single person who made possible to come to this event and even for those people who would not be able to come because for whatever XYZ reasons. पूण म्हणटा हे पाटी पावना फुडले पावट पावतली आनी फुडले पाटी हेच्या बरें जातलें कित्याक बरें जाता म्हण तुमकां बिकॉज वी आर चेंजिंग द वेन्यू गायज. Every year from the time in the beginning when we started like when this foundation was formed, this committee was formed, they had been set at this event happening Punjabi Community Center thing zatalo. Now they are changing it because timing issues aite kotha dinga and we are paying a hefty money for them and yet they have come and they charge kotha baba tummi bond korpa people come from far away to enjoy. We want that time, we want every single person who comes to enjoy that to have the best of time and value for their money also. And that's for that reason we are changing for the next year. And so for the next year the feast is going to take place same in St. Mary's Church, but the venue is changed for dine and dance and it's going to happen in venue 3 on 31st of July 2027. Venue 3 I'm choose kela because we get extra more time over there. रोकडे बंद करूं लागलें 11 म्हणून बंद करूं लागलें ते पण 12 पासून केलें पण स्टील अ क्राउड वॉज सो एनर्जेटिक दे वॉन्टेड टू डान्स तांकां आनी जाय आसलोलें जायना आसलोलें लायक सो वी डिसायडेड हेजे मुखार आनी करची न्ही वी आर डुईंग वेनी बिकॉज इट्स गोइंग एम्पल ऑफ गुड एक्स्ट्रा टायम फॉर अस आनी पार्किंगूय बरें आहा सगळें बरें आहा सो इट्स व्हेरी नायस एंड वी आर लुकींग फॉरवर्ड फॉर नेक्स्ट इयर फॉर एवरी वन टू कम. आयची हें जालें म्हळ्यार सारकें आसा टुडेज व्हिडिओ यू गायज तुमी सांगाय तुमकां कशें दिसली पळय ते आमगे फेस कोताय ते आमी लायक इट्स सो नायस म्हाका हांव इव्हेंटा बी चड भोंवना पूण आमी फेस्ट केलें आमी ते भाशेन बट वॉट इज द मोर इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग इज हांवें आमगे गांव भावां सगळ्या पळयलें थिंगा आय कूड टॉक टू एवरी वन आय कूड ग्रीट एवरी वन people who I did not even know like most of the थोडे गांव आमी चडशी भायर आसताले सो वी डोंट नो लायक आनी आफ्टर so many years you get to meet them it's so nice thing आनी तुगे वडील मेवताय तुका you have the blessings you have the लायक खूब बरें मेवता पूण तें बरें आहा म्हणटू बट हेजे मुखार तुमकां इतलें सांगता फुडल्या वर्सा तुमी येवची आयची फेस्त जालें तें जालें फाल्यां एक आहा आफ्टर पार्टी दवरल्या सो मेनी ऑफ देम हॅव कम फार अवे ते रावलोले आहा हिंगा सो one of our Ponda Parishioners आमगे एक मेंबर विवियन तो तेणे आपणागे घरा फडें आफ्टर पार्टी दवरलो आहा सो वी वील बी गोईंग एंड हॅविंग एन आफ्टर पार्टी एंड ऑल दोज पीपल हू हॅव स्टेड बिहायंड have been invited as well and आमगे कमिटीचे लोक सगळे वचपा आहाय सो वील बी हॅविंग अ स्मॉल गेट टुगेदर आनी तिगाय बरो फन जाता म्हण म्हाका खबर आहा बिकॉज विवियानागे एनर्जी नेक्स्ट लेवलाक गेली सो इतलें सांगून काबार करता गायज until then stay safe god bless you all and my final word to say adios like it's delirium like it's delirium I got